Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide pictures in gallery on OnePlus 9. Firstly, go into gallery obviously. Now tap on the picture that you would like to hide and tap on more in the bottom right corner. Now tap on set as private. Alright. Okay, and now to access the private album you can either go into albums and just go into private, or tap anywhere, press and hold anywhere on the bottom navbar. So let's say here or here, yeah. And now just type in privacy password, and here's our picture. You can also unhide it simply by tapping on set as public and choose where you would like to where the location of this image is going to be. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.